Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. We share unique tips and tricks to improve your video quality using Wondershare Repairit. As the name suggests, it will work wonders with your videos or photos and repair them smoothly. Wondershare Repairit is designed to fix corrupted videos and photos with its easy to use interface. Today, we'll be looking into the most common video issue that you may face on Twitter. There are times when you might have to say, my videos are not working on Twitter. Well, don't worry because it's not just you. Many face this similar issue with the social media platform. So let me give you a walkthrough on why Twitter videos aren't working on Chrome or Android or even your iPhone, and how you can solve that with a few simple techniques. But first, be sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. And also make sure you click the bell notification icon as well, so you'll be notified whenever we upload a brand new video. But first of all, we'll be talking about videos on Twitter not working on Chrome. The reasons why Twitter videos don't play on Chrome can be quite various. And if you're wondering why your video isn't playing today, then there are a few things to consider. Many issues can cause videos on Twitter to not work on Chrome. In certain situations, videos on Twitter will not be working on Chrome, and this can be caused by a collection of too much web surfing data. To fix this problem, delete cookies, cached images and files, and of course your browsing history. And here is the simple steps on just how to do that. First, open Chrome and select the three dot symbol in the upper right hand corner. Then select the More Tools option from the drop-down menu. Now click on Clear Browsing Data. You will then be redirected to a new tab, and all you need to do is clear data. Clearing your browser's cache, cookies and browsing history will basically refresh the browser, making it more suitable for various tasks, including Twitter, and giving an end to the problem that, why can't I watch videos on Twitter? Of course though, if this technique has not worked for you, then let's move on to the following method. What if one of the plugins that we use in our browser for simple administration causes problems with the Twitter video? Adobe Flash Player is one such plugin. Also, the Chrome browser not being updated can also lead to the Twitter playback error. However, one of your plugins may be just simply obsolete or corrupted. In such instances, the videos then may be uneven or choppy or even display an error whilst being played. Or it could even be quite simply the Twitter video is completely black. So to solve that, all you need to do is to uninstall the older version of Adobe Flash Player. For that, use the Program and Features in the Control panel. And then, again, reinstall the updated version of the plugin, and you are ready to get started. Now, when it comes to updating the Chrome browser, you need to open up the settings in Chrome and then go to the About Chrome menu. There you will see if your Chrome browser needs to be updated or not. As you can see here, my Chrome version is up to date, and if yours is updated, then you are good to go. But if you still have the issue, why won't Twitter videos play on my computer, then we have another simple hack just for you. If your Twitter videos won't play on Chrome, you may try turning off hardware acceleration to see if that fixes the problem. So in your Chrome browser, select Settings from the drop-down menu by once more clicking the three dots icon in the upper right-hand corner. Then select Advanced from the drop-down menu, and then click on System. Then you must disable the option to use hardware acceleration when available. After that, reload the Twitter video page to see whether the playback issue has been resolved. This method is most likely the most practical answer for 99% of browser-related issues. Thus, it should help you get your Twitter videos launched in the majority of situations. However, if none of our previous procedures have worked and your Twitter videos just simply won't play in Chrome, then you may need to adjust your extensions. Sometimes your browser, particularly ad blockers, prevents things like videos from playing. So to manage your Chrome extensions, first select More Tools, then Extensions, from the three dots in the right hand corner of your address bar. Now to see if Twitter videos are working, disable each Chrome extension and then reload the page. Also, the videos not working on Twitter issue can be caused by more than just a surplus of surfing data. There might be several complex or straightforward reasons for that matter why your Twitter videos aren't playing on your computer.
Open Wondershare Repairit. Then, once loaded, click on the Add button to select your downloaded Twitter video. When your video has been added, you will then be shown a preview of your video on the screen. And all you have to do is hit the Repair button in the bottom right hand corner. The final step is for you to save the file. And so to do this, just click on the Save button.
Wondershare Repairit can be your one-stop software to repair your damaged videos and photos. And did you know it also supports a huge range of different video formats? But how can I repair Twitter videos that won't play on my phone? Well, these reasons may differ, but don't be too concerned because a list of mobile phone troubleshooting is available here in this video. If you have an iPhone or an iPad and get the issues such as a Twitter video will not play, well, when using the Twitter app on the iPhone or iPad, the program might become defective at times, resulting in videos on Twitter not working on your iPhone or iPad. So to resolve the playback error of Twitter, here are some fast solutions for you to try. The first thing to do is to check to see if the software is up to date and compatible with the version you are using. So here are the methods to upgrade to the most recent version of iOS. To begin with, make sure your device is powered up and has a good Wi-Fi connection. Then go to Settings, then to the General Settings menu bar, where you can then select Software Updates. And to proceed, click on Software Update and then touch to install. When it comes to the iPhone, it only supports a specific video format, which means you won't be able to manually load the stream if your Wi-Fi connectivity is down for whatever reason. So take some time to look into why videos on Twitter are not working on the iPhone. If you are having trouble with your connection and just don't know what to do, then I recommend resetting your network settings. Keep in mind though that this will reset all of your network settings, so you'll need to reconnect to your Wi-Fi networks and perhaps readjust your data settings as well. So to enhance the signal strength, just switch off your Wi-Fi for a few minutes and then turn it back on. Once back on, try reconnecting to a different network if available that has a stronger signal. Another option is to forget about the original Wi-Fi network and then reconnect to it using your original password. Now to reset the network settings, follow these next steps in this order.
Once more under Settings, open the General tab. Then scroll down to Reset, before finally Reset Network Settings.
However, what if you are still having troubles with videos on Twitter not working? Well, don't worry because the final hack for the iPhone can actually help you solve the problem pretty much entirely. Even though Twitter is a social network that operates independently of its users, you may still use the app to access it. However, did you know that apps are also prone to bugs? And it is conceivable that something went wrong in the app's coding with the latest update. So developers must now figure out on how to fix it. So just keep an eye out for upcoming updates and hopefully one of them will fix the issue. To do this, go to your Apple Store and then update the Twitter app if needed. Whilst navigating a Twitter profile, videos published to the platform are set for autoplay. Many users, however, expressed dissatisfaction with the fact that videos on Twitter are not working, especially on Android. Do you have a similar playback issue where all you see is the Twitter video buffering? Well, don't worry, because the next step will definitely help you out. If you are using Twitter on your Android and you get the message that states Twitter playback error or videos not working on Twitter, well, here's a list of possible causes and of course solutions on how to repair the problem so then you can enjoy Twitter's error-free video content. When using a social media network like Twitter, network strength is the actual game. It would be beneficial if you had a strong enough signal to run the platform's content. You'll be unable to play videos if your network signal is very weak. But here are some troubleshooting procedures to assist you in verifying the signal strength status and then determine why videos on Twitter are not working on Android. The best thing to do is to restart your Android phone. And then once it has restarted, navigate to the Settings app and choose Wireless and Networks or Connections from the menu. If you're on Wi-Fi, try switching to a mobile network to see if that works, or check the signal strength.
To do this, scroll down to About Phone, then select Status, then SIM card status, and check your signal strength reading.
If there was a slight problem with the data access, it would be resolved after your device is restarted. However, if the problem persists, there might be more factors at play. If your Twitter app is out of date and has to be updated, then the only way to fix the Twitter playback error is to reinstall it. The reinstallation method, however, outlined in the step-by-step guide is nice and simple. After you've uninstalled the Twitter app, you'll need to reinstall it on your Android device. So go to your device's main menu and select the Google Play Store. And then, once you've found the Twitter application, download and reinstall it. There is the possibility, however, that unfortunately your phone just may not support the current version of the Twitter app, which is one of the reasons why videos won't play. It's conceivable that if you're using an older version of the program, it won't operate properly and will display problems like Twitter videos not playing. While utilising Twitter on Android, the newest version of your application is the solution for this update. Just go to your Google Play Store and update the Twitter app if it's needed. So this is our final suggestion for resolving the issue of Twitter videos not playing in your browser or on your phone. And hopefully one of our solutions has worked for you, and now you may continue to enjoy Twitter's unique and entertaining videos. So the next time you encounter a problem with a Twitter video not playing, look for the underlying reasons and then follow the steps in this tutorial to resolve the issue. Every solution is simple to follow and includes detailed instructions and illustrations to make things even more accessible. You'll be okay if you follow the simple steps. However, if you have any further information on this issue, then please do post it in the comment section below. Also, feel free to post a remark if you have any questions about this or any other topic that may be related. But thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and if you did like it, then please like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos coming your way very soon.